Hello everyone, welcome back to the RoadReverence. Today we're diving into the sleek and futuristic Hyundai Ioniq 6, a car that doesn't just look ahead but feels like it's arrived from the future. The Ioniq 6 makes an instant impression, with its bold and aerodynamic exterior. The low-slung, coupe-inspired silhouette features smooth curves and flush door handles, giving it a clean, sculpted look. At the front, the parametric pixel LED lights set a futuristic tone, while the full-width light bar at the rear creates a striking signature, especially at night. The sloped roofline not only enhances its style but also boosts its aerodynamic efficiency, achieving a drag coefficient of just 0.21, one of the lowest in any production vehicle. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a minimal yet high cabin. The interior is spacious and serene, with sustainable materials used throughout. The dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital instrument cluster and the other for infotainment, blend into one seamless panel. The flat floor and ambient lighting further enhance the lounge-like vibe, making it a calm place to drive or ride. When it comes to performance, the Ioniq 6 is offered in multiple configurations, including single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive variants. The dual-motor setup delivers up to 320 horsepower and 446 pounds-ft of torque, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds. One of the standout features is its ultra-fast 800 volts charging capability, which can take the battery from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes using a DC fast charger, with a range of up to 361 miles on a single charge in the RWD long-range version. The Ioniq 6 balances power and efficiency beautifully. Safety is a major focus in the Ioniq 6. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite includes features like forward collision assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and highway driving assist. It also offers remote smart parking assist, allowing the car to park itself in tight spaces while you stand outside and control it remotely. What makes the Ioniq 6 truly unique is how it blends design, performance, and technology with an eco-conscious mindset. From its sustainable interior materials to its ultra-efficient aerodynamics and cutting-edge EV platform, it's a bold statement from Hyundai that electric cars can be both emotional and practical. The pricing for the Hyundai Ioniq 6 starts around $38,000 for the base standard range and climbs to approximately $56,000 for the fully loaded limited AWD trim. Given its premium features, futuristic design, and high efficiency, it offers strong value in the EV market. To wrap it up, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 is more than just a new electric car. It's a bold move toward the future of mobility. It delivers stunning design, a tech-rich and comfortable interior, impressive range and charging performance, and a comprehensive suite of safety features. For those looking to stand out on the road while embracing clean energy, the Ioniq 6 is a clear and compelling choice.